Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22i, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Then you can tap on your photos right away, or click on Gallery section on the left and select them from here. When you're done, click on Add at the top right corner. You can also select the gallery icon, but this time click on Folders at the top. Then look for your pictures over here in one of those apps, or by tapping on those three lines at the top left corner in one of those categories. Wherever you decided, after locating your picture, just hold it and click on Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!